to admit I'm nervous. I am on my way to West Palm Beach. It's an hour away from my house. And the reason why I'm going there is because I'm going to meet with my friend to paint a wall unit for her. It's a traditional dark wood wall unit, and she asked me to rescue it. I'm going to give it a new look, refreshed look. I'm going to transform this piece into a one-of-a-kind. But the challenge is that I have only 2 days to transform this piece of furniture. So let's see if I can complete this job in 2 days. Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel, I'm Udi. Welcome and welcome back. Time to unload my truck. And greet my friend Anita. You smell so delicious.
I do. Oh my god.
She is so cute.
Wait, we're being filmed?
We were so excited to see each other. Now it's time to get to work. And this is the piece. And this is my mood board for inspiration. I first had to fix a couple of things that were damaged, and I'm using this wood putty that dries very quick, and I'm going to then sand it. I need to scuff sand the piece. It doesn't require to sand completely this paint. All it requires you to do is to scuff sand it, which means you use a sander like I am right now. You can also use this sponge sander. It's very easy to use in places that are not flat. Because it is easy to bend and you can reach to spaces that are not easy to reach with the electric sander. Very important is to clean after you sand. I am going to clean it with a dry cloth, and after I'm going to make sure that I get rid of all the particles using a wet cloth. This furniture was cleaned. It was just an easy cleanup. I used just water and soap. We already protect the floors with paper and tape. Now let's get to paint. Let me tell you about the paint I'm using. It's Dixie Belle Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint. It has a primer in it and it has a sealer as well. It's non-toxic, it has UV protection, and it's water resistant, mildew resistant, and grease resistant. It's a great product, and I'm going to be mixing 2 colors. I'm going to be mixing Harbor, which is this blue color, and Sunkissed, which is the beige color, to tone down the blue a little bit. I already prepared the floors to protect them, and everything is going to be ready for paint. I'm applying 2 coat of paint to the entire furniture piece. I'm using a Dixie Belle mini brush. This is the first time I'm using this paint, and I'm trying different brushes to see which one goes better. For the top part, I decided to switch to this brush. It's called Scarlet. It's also by Dixie Belle. And I felt that this one glide better for the top part of the cabinet. Something important is to watch for the drips. Make sure that you get the drips so they don't dry, and then it's going to be harder for you to take them off. So this is day number 2. I should be done by the end of the day, even if I go to bed late. So let's keep working on this. I got this. So the design changed a little bit. I wanted it to be a little bit more distressed because this inspired me. This is a mask distress. That's the name of this decoupage paper. As you can see, it's not perfect. It's a little bit distressed. So I'm going to use it, but for me, it's better to paint the background in a color that is similar to the paper. You see, it's better because then the colors of the decoupage paper are gonna show better. So I'm painting this, I'm gonna give it another coat of paint, and then I'm going to apply the decoupage paper and I'm going to dry brush. I'll show you when I do the next one. I'm going to dry brush using the sun-kissed paint. It's a beautiful beige color that goes very nicely. It's the one that I use to mix with the blue one to tone it down. So that's the plan. And I am applying 2 coats of the sun-kissed beige color on all the doors before I add my decoupage paper. And I'm going to dry brush the sun-kissed beige color on top of all these details. This is going to give the distressed look that I'm looking for. Keeping in mind that if I don't like the look, if it's too much of the beige, I can always go with a different brush and apply a little bit more of the blue that I already mixed. Now I already pre-cut all the papers and I tape them to see that they are perfectly in and ready for the decoupage. I am using a clear coat by Dixie Belle as my glue to adhere the decoupage to all the doors. I press down nicely and softly, trying not to get bubbles or wrinkles. And I'm going to use this vinyl roller to get rid of all the wrinkles that I couldn't avoid and the bubbles. I learned this technique by watching one of the YouTube tutorial videos by Brush by Branding. She is really great. And to also help with the wrinkles and the bubbles, I'm using the iron technique. I'm using this mini iron. And what this does also is that it melts the clear coat and adheres faster. And to protect the decoupage paper, I'm using the clear coat by Dixie Belle in flat finish. And I'm going to continue applying the dry brush technique to all the details. And as a final touch, I'm applying gilding wax in copper finish to the hardware and in some of the details in the furniture. This is going to take this furniture transformation to a new level. I believe this is the icing in the cake. I am on my way back home. It is Friday. I came to West Palm Beach on Wednesday. I work on the furniture transformation on Wednesday and Thursday. And I feel so accomplished and very happy with the results. I hope you liked the video. Let me know what is your favorite part. And please don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. So every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Until later, goodbye. Now I leave you with some pictures and videos with the final results. I hope I'm inspiring you to create something beautiful. And the best part is that Anita loved it. She is very pleased. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.